بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. This is Miss Layla Al-Jihani. Welcome again, dear students. Inshallah, today we will continue Unit 2. What are they making? Inshallah, today we will cover lesson 4 and 5, which is listening and pronunciation. Okay. If we can recall what we have covered the previous lesson, we finished the grammar. What was the grammar about? Excellent. It was about present progressive. When do we use the present progressive? To talk about what? Actions that happen when? Every day? No, when? Now. Actions that are happening now. I am talking to you. You are reading. Yeah? So these are activities happening now. Also, we said that the present progressive, we use it to talk about activities in the future. Excellent. We use it to talk about actions in the future if it's a fixed arrangement. Yes? Inshallah, in our lesson today, by the end of it, you will be able to identify specific details in a movie description audio. So you will have a movie description audio listening, and you will identify details and you will answer questions based on these details you listen to. Recognize the intonation of the E sound and the E sound. So we have two sounds, two phonemes, and we will know how to pronounce these phonemes, okay? I assigned last class a homework in your book, page 94. Can you open your books, page 94, please? Yes, you have this exercise. You have a boy. What is he doing? He is eating, yes? So you will form a question. Using the present progressive, you will form a question and an answer. So you will create a question and an answer for every picture, for every action. Look at the picture and connect the action with the picture. For number 2, we have boys playing football. How can you form a question and how can you form the answer? And the third picture we have students. In your book it's students and the teacher, he is writing on the board, yes? So you will form a question. You will ask what is the teacher doing, and you will form a question using the present progressive, okay? Also number 4, you have a man in your, not similar to this picture, you have a man going. Where is he going? He's holding a bag, luggage, he's going to. Yes, and you form a question. And you have a boy. What is he doing? He is. And then you write a question and an answer. Pause the video if you haven't done your homework yet, and please do it, and then we will check the answers together. I'm sure you had time to do it last week. If there is any confusion, please go back to the previous lesson to know how to form a question in the present progressive and how to form an answer, okay? Let's see the answers together. For number 1, what are they doing? We have 3 boys in your book. 3 boys, they are eating. So what are they doing? They are eating. And for 2, what is he doing? We have 1 boy in your book. He is playing football. Who is writing on the board? Who is writing on the board? We want to know who is writing. Who is the person writing? My teacher is writing on the board. My teacher is writing on the board. For number 4, where? And we have you go. How can you form a question using these words? Where are you going? Okay, I'm going to the airport. And we have what he do. What with he we say is he doing? the verb ing to form the question. He is doing his homework. This is for our homework. We have finished the homework. If you can open page 13 in your books, please open it, okay? You have a different picture than this one. You have a big picture. If you look at the picture, what can you see? Can you tell me what can you see in your picture? Buildings, yes, buildings. Look at the buildings, since you mentioned the buildings. Are they real buildings? Are they real buildings? Can you go inside it? No, they are fake. Why do you think it's fake? Because they are doing what? What are they making? They are making, excellent, they are making a movie. So you look at the picture and look at the other pictures. So they are making a movie. Why did you say they are making a movie? Because the buildings are fake. What else? You see whom? Who can you see? Excellent, you see the camera crew there. Who else? The director. Excellent, and you see some men holding equipments. Excellent. What are they? They use it to flash the lights. So it's lights to film the movie. Also, you can see a cafe and you can see audience there. Yes. And also you can see a man who is wearing detective clothes. Detective clothes. He is acting. He's wearing his acting clothes. He act to be a detective. The one, what does detective mean? What does a detective mean? Yes, he is the man who tries to solve any crime. If something if there is something very difficult for the police, he's a detective. He will find the clues, find the evidence to reach out for the criminal, for example, or the target, okay? So these are the things we have seen. So also in the middle you can see, yeah, boys playing what? What are they playing? Basketball, excellent. Okay, I have these questions. Okay, we will try to answer these questions together. Look at your picture. Don't look at the answer, the questions. Look at your book. I will ask the question and you will tell me the answer, okay? Number one, where are they filming? Are they filming in a real street? No. Where are they filming? They are making the movie. Where are they? They are in a studio, yes. Is it real? Is it inside studio or outside? Outside, we call it outdoor studio. Excellent. Question 2. What is the detective doing? Do you see the man on the corner, bottom left corner? He's the detective wearing green, if I remember correctly. He's wearing green. What is he doing? He's reading. What do you think he's reading? He's an actor. What will he read? Read a book? No, what is he gonna read? The script. The script, what he should say, he will revise his script. Yes? Excellent. طيب, what is the crew painting? I remember it's there. Some people are painting. They try to paint. Change the color of what? What are they painting? The wall. They are painting the wall. Excellent. Question 4. What are the men carrying? In the middle, you see 2 men smiling and carrying something. We said they are carrying. Good. They are carrying the light. Excellent. 5. What game are the people on the street playing? You see some boys playing. What are they playing? Which game is it? Is it football? No. What is it? Good. Yes. They are playing basketball. Okay. Who is the director talking to? You see the director in front of the camera. The director is talking to someone. Who is he? Who do you think he is? He is the cameraman. Excellent. What are the men in the cafe doing? What are they? You see 2 men in a cafe. What are they doing? They are drinking coffee or drinking tea. Excellent. 8. What is the waiter doing? The waiter next to them, what is he doing? Look at the picture and try to answer these questions, okay? Let's see. Where are they filming? They are filming at an outdoor TV studio. 2. What is the detective doing? He is reading a script, okay? What is the crew painting? We said they are painting the wall or the building. Yes? What are the men carrying? They are carrying lights, okay? Carrying lights. 5. What game are the people on the street? We said it how many times? They are playing basketball. 6. Who is the director talking to? He's talking to the camera operator, okay? Or the cameraman. 7. What are the men in the cafe doing? They are drinking coffee or they're drinking tea, okay? What is the waiter doing? He is talking to the customers, the people who are inside his cafe. He's talking to them, okay? Now, I will play an audio. You will listen to it and then try to figure out who is saying these, like it will be numbers, who is saying these things, okay? Before we listen, always read the question. Then you have to listen. You can't listen and read in the same time. You have to listen carefully, read carefully to check what are you looking. So when you hear something, you know, I remember, I read it, it's here, okay? You will know. طيب, the first one of the people watching. Do you see the on your book, page 13? There are people watching behind the line. They are watching how they are making the movie, right? So look at these people. One of them is gonna say something, okay? One of the people watching, one of the basketball players on the and the director to the cameraman. So one of the basketball players talking to his friend, or the director talking to the cameraman, or the painters talking to the man painting with him, or the actor, the detective, the actor acting as a detective, he is talking, or the waiter talking to the customers in the cafe, okay? So you have to know these are the people. So you will listen to a conversation. You have to guess who said it, who's talking, okay? You will hear conversation 1, 2, and then you have to put the numbers 1, 2, 3, who is saying what, okay? I will play the recording. Please listen carefully.
1. Help me, I'm trying to remember my lines. 2. You're not filming the main actors in the right way. Put the camera closer to them. 3. Are you enjoying your coffee, sir? 4. What kind of film are they making? 5. Good shot, that's 2 points. You're shooting really well today. 6. You're climbing too high, be careful.
Okay, I will play the recording again. You will listen to it carefully. From 1 and guess who is talking.
1. Help me, I'm trying to remember my lines. 2. You're not filming the main actors in the right way. Put the camera closer to them. 3. Are you enjoying your coffee, sir? 4. What kind of film are they making? 5. Good shot, that's 2 points. You're shooting really well today. 6. You're climbing too high, be careful.
Okay, these are the conversation. Do you want to listen to it again? I think someone said you're shooting really well. Who's shooting really well? Who's talking? Who's saying these words? And if someone says, I'm trying to remember the lines, guess who's saying these words? Who's talking? Which one? I will play it again, okay? And we will hear it together.
I'm trying to remember my lines. 2. You're not filming the main actors in the right way. Put the camera. 1. Help me. I'm trying to remember my lines. 2. You're not filming the main actors in the right way. Put the camera closer to them. 3. Are you enjoying your coffee, sir? 4. What kind of film are they making? 5. Good shot. That's 2 points. You're shooting really well today. 6. You're climbing too high. Be careful.
Okay. Okay. So let's see the answers. I'm sure you at least figured out some of them. Okay.
1.
This is the people who talking, looking at the picture and listening. You try to guess. So number 4, conversation 4, one of the people, and then we have 5, 2, 6, 1, and 3. This is how we answer these questions. This is the conversations from 1 to 6, how we divide it based on who is saying these conversation. Okay, this is related to the listening part. Okay, now if we look at the pronunciation, it's on the same page, page 13. For the pronunciation, we have 2 sounds, 2 phonemes. We have the E sound and the E sound. Okay, we have E sound. Okay, so the E sound like he, eat, read, sleep. The E sound, this is how we write it. This is how we pronounce it. E. Okay, for example, he likes to sleep on the beach. Did you notice how I pronounce it? Okay, and we have the I sound like it, this, listen, sit. Okay, this is the I sound. This is Bill's car. Okay, this is how we pronounce the I sound. I have more words to practice how you pronounce this phoneme, okay? The sound E is often spelled with E, E-A, or double E. When you hear this sound, this is how you spell it. Either one with a single E, or E and A, or double E, okay? This is how you spell it, okay? The way you pronounce it, like here in me, these, see, week, meet, he, she, we, sleep, street. Okay? Excellent. Let's see. Please practice pronouncing these words after me, okay? We have the I sound. Usually it's spelled with an I. The spelling will be with an I, okay? We have him, this, Phil, city, in, miss, sister, live. The I sound. Okay? Hopefully this will make it more clearer. This is extra words. You can practice pronouncing these 2 sounds. And if we can recall what we have covered for this lesson, we did the homework and we looked at the script. Do you remember the script we did before in the unit lesson 1 in unit 2? If you see, did you remember the martial art movie and this movie? If you want to compare these 2 movies, that one we said it's horrible, no one was happy in it, the director was screaming a lot and the writer wasn't happy. What about this one? Do you think this movie will be a good movie? Yes, me too. Everyone is smiling, they know what are they doing, and the director is complimenting, not yelling like the previous one. So we heard the listening and we answered the questions related to the listening, and also we learned how to pronounce the E sound and the E sound. Okay? So that's it for today, but I will assign page 95 as a homework. Okay? Please do your homework for next class. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a lovely day. Thank you and goodbye.